Ever feel lost about what to post on LinkedIn and worry about how your content will be received? You're not alone. When managing your brand's LinkedIn page, one of the biggest challenges is deciding on what to post and being confident in your content. In today's video, we will provide you with resources, tips, and strategies on how to be confident on LinkedIn, empowering your brand and its social media managers to thrive in this dynamic environment. Hello Metrocoolers, I'm Robert, and today we're diving into how to post confidently on LinkedIn, engage consistently, and build your brand authority. With over 1 billion members and ranking as the 20th most visited website in the world, LinkedIn offers brands endless opportunities to connect with potential customers, employees, and partners. Especially on a highly professional network like LinkedIn with over 10 million C-level executives, it feels like your content is scrutinized every single time you post. However, confidence, curiosity, and consistency can take you much further on this platform than hours of LinkedIn marketing trainings. Even high-level executives and thought leaders receive criticism, which often doesn't reflect faulty work. Success on LinkedIn isn't measured by how polished your content is, but by how effectively you can capture, captivate, and connect with your audience. Let's talk about 4 tips that really will make a difference in how you approach LinkedIn. The first tip is about embracing vulnerability. Sharing your failures can be daunting, but it's a powerful way to connect. Show your audience that even on a professional network like LinkedIn, relatability actually matters. Share your brand story, behind the scenes content, or weekly updates, including both wins and losses. This transparency builds trust and encourages others to engage and share their stories with you. The next tip is to engage with others in your industry. Instead of viewing other industry players as competition, view their content with curiosity. LinkedIn is built for learning and connection, so use others' posts to spark ideas and see what engages others. This can guide your content strategy and connect more deeply with your audience. Moving on to our third tip, which is analytics. Dive into your content performance with tools like Metrocool. Look at what's working, the posts with the most engagement, or the topics with the most clicks. The data is gold. It tells you what resonates with your audience so you can create more content that they'll love. It's like having a roadmap to success. Finally, let's talk about scheduling. Avoid the daily scramble by scheduling your posts in advance. We all know the struggle of coming up with posts on the fly. By planning and scheduling your content in advance with tools like Metrocool, you can use that other time to focus on that quality content. As a social media manager, this is a game changer that takes away the pressure and stress on deciding what to post, allowing you to take more time to craft content intentionally. By embracing vulnerability, engaging with your industry, analyzing what works, and planning ahead, you'll transform your LinkedIn strategy. Start today and watch your authority and confidence on LinkedIn grow. Thank you for watching. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up and leave your LinkedIn success stories in the comments.